Lincoln Loud. It sure is a nice day to play with our wonderful Nintendo GameCube.
I know it is, Lola Loud.
Anyways, let's get some drink.
I'm going to break Lincoln and Lola's alarm clock. Yay! I broke Lincoln and Lola's alarm clock.
Ryan Miller. What did you do to our alarm clock?
I broke it.
Oh, my, freaking, God. Ryan Miller. Are you out of your mind right now? How dare you break our alarm clock?
That's it. Go home right now and we are gonna call your parents about this.
But at art.
Ryan Miller. Are you freaking serious right now? How dare you break Lincoln and Lola's alarm clock? That's it. You are grounded for 437 decades. Go to your room now.